more listings and inventory up. So what does this mean to you if you are a buyer? It's Friday, July 8th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. This is actually good news for you as a buyer because if you were buying in the beginning of this year or earlier, you would have likely experienced high competition for the home that you liked and wanted to purchase. You probably would have lost out on more than one home to another buyer who offered over asking price, took out conditions such as no home inspection or no appraisal, and sweetened the pot for the seller in other ways. Well, the market conditions are more favorable now as we go into the last half of the year as more inventory is coming on the market. Yes, prices are up from a year ago, and so are interest rates. Know that prices will likely continue to go up year after year, so waiting for things to return to where they were in 2019 or 1950 is, well, not realistic. Remember that if you had bought a home last year, you came out ahead in many ways. Waiting until later only works if you are truly one of those few that should not buy right now. If you are a seller, prepare for fewer buyers and a longer time until an offer. New contracts came in at 77.9% of this time last year. One of my colleagues in another state detailed how her seller was upset that his home didn't sell over the Independence Day holiday weekend. He thought he'd have a line of buyers over the holiday weekend and a handful of offers by Tuesday over his asking price. Instead, no offers and few showings. He expected to experience what is now old news, so don't be that guy. So here's what's happening with the overall Maryland inventory. 1,361 properties are coming soon, up again further from last report. 1,337 are temporarily off the market, another rise here. 1,703 homes were listed for sale, another drop in the inventory from last report. 685 went under contract in 13 days, a decline in contracts, and a longer time until under contract. 1,143 went pending, another decrease in contracts. 2,084 properties settled, up from last week's report at 100.9% list to sold ratio. The highest sale the past week was in Potomac for $6,600,000. On the rental front, inventory went up to 1,397, available at $2,300 per month. For those experiencing a challenging time finding a rental and who ultimately would prefer to own their own home, we have lease to purchase programs that may be a solution for you. Message us to learn more, and if I can answer any of your buying or selling questions, give me a call. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for July 8th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well. Cheers.